In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fill a shape with an image in Google Slides. So if you want to add a shape around an image, say a rectangle or even a square or oval shape, it is pretty simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I'd like to go ahead and fill a shape on this image. The first thing you need to do is to go to the slide and then click on the image that you want to fill a shape. Once you have clicked on it, head over to this option called mask image. It is just next to crop image. So click on this drop down arrow under mask image and then click on shape and identify the shape that you want. For my case, I want an oval shape. So if I click on it, now you can see my image has been placed in that oval shape. However, you can see that my image is not centered. So to center it, just double click inside this image and then move your image to the location or the place you want. And you can also move it up and down. Once you are done, click outside and you will see the perfect image. Should you want to change the shape, it is still possible. Just head over again to mask image and then go ahead and choose the image that you want to change with. So for my case, I would like to change this with this diamond. So if I click on diamond and look at that, it has been applied. You can also go ahead and increase the thickness of this borderline or frame on your shape. To do that, head over to this option called border weight. If you click on it, you can make the thickness of the border to be maybe 2 times. You can even make it to be much thicker, 3 times. And look at that, it will be applied. If you need also to change the color, you can also go ahead and change the border color here. And now you can choose any of this border color and it will be applied immediately. So that's how you can fill a shape with an image in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.